Anyway, we're going camping.
We are camping. Hi.
Hi, everyone. Guess where we're at?
We're in a log cabin.
Yeah, we are. Well, is this considered a log cabin?
Look around, it's made out of logs.
We're surrounded by nature. Well, no, duh. It's 80-something degrees plus.
No, it's 72 in here, though. I want your pillow.
That's my pillow.
I was gonna say, is this your pillow or your mom's?
It's like the world's tiniest cabin.
It's not the tiniest, it's adorable.
It's tiny.
It's adorable.
It's tiny. I mean, look at this. That's her bed with her mom. This is my bed with her. I mean, my mom's bed. And then
That's your leg.
like the whole thing, and then it comes back to.
There's no electricity besides that one little lamp.
Yeah, that's like, there's one outlet back there, right there, and that's the only thing, and that plugs into this and that.
So we have no electricity whatsoever.
Except we have the camera and stuff. Get to go hiking.
That's what we're going to do right now in a minute. That's cool.
How did you do that?
I don't know, that's cool.
We also pitched a tent out in front.
Yes,
we're going to be camping out in the tent instead of here. Probably not, but we might, but I don't know. We might retreat back into here where it's cooler. But then tomorrow we're going to go inner tubing down
the Ishtuckney River.
Ishtuckney.
Ishtuck. You can't say it. Ishtuckney. Ishtuckney.
Ishtuckney. Ishtuckney. I can't speak because I got a thingy in my mouth right now.
Palate expander.
Are you hear that? There's lots of little worms outside.
Oh yeah, those little green worms.
Little green worms. If you know what the green worms are, please tell us because we don't know what that is.
Yeah, the green worms are kind of concerning because we like poke them and they spaz. That's funny. Oh, and she got attacked by a caterpillar already.
Yeah, and there's another one that was brown and fuzzy.
It was gray and fuzzy.
But anyway. Bye. Bye for now.
Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Like my father's come to pass, 7 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Here comes the rain again, falling from the stars, drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September